Are you moving my cunt?
I'm moving it right.
That sounds absolutely
My feet are better than yours, though.
Sorry, I think you sound vile.
I've lost something. I feel like Carol, consonant, please.
I want a vowel, please.
Don't move my L.
Your magnet's gone a bit fluffy.
That magnet bollocks.
We've stopped placing it.
Put nothing on it, it's okay, we can spend completely.
There's nothing to play with on it. Just
Yeah, trust man, you're safe.
We're trying to offend everybody here.
I'm trying to be a man.
I'm trying to not Lucy.
I'm trying to be a man.
I am being a man. Stop offending mine.
Ben, can we cook some food? Have you got any nice food?
No.
Have you got any nice? Have you got anything that's worth nibbling on?
No, I set out this Tesco.
You have nothing.
No.
What have you got?
Microwave single meals.
Microwave meal's the one that says Dad.
You got no other food?
I haven't, no.
Really? Oh, I thought you liked bought loads of food in Tesco's.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
I need to do my proper shop yet. I haven't got much learning for my first house. Is that on video?
No.
No, this is my favourite song.
That isn't right.
This is my karaoke song. This is the song that everyone karaoke.
Take my cunt down.
Ben?
Oh!
Don't write Ben.
I'm writing Ben.
Oh. No, write a message.
It won't even write Ben, actually.